In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you the whole YouTube monetization process, all you need to know about it, and also I'm going to be telling you the documents that you are going to need whenever you want to monetize your YouTube channel, because you need to know all these things before reaching your threshold, because you don't want, after working and when it's time for you to provide your documents, you don't even have any one of them. It's wrong now. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you all of them. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time of coming across this page, you're welcome. And on this page, I will teach you on how to grow on your YouTube channel, and also how to edit, and also how to make money online. So if you're interested in videos like this, do what to like, subscribe, and when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. And if you're among those that leave comment in the comment section, it means a lot to me, because when you like and leave a comment in the comment section, even if it's a love emoji, even if it's just good or something like that, it makes YouTube to recommend my videos to more people. So please do want to always comment in my videos. Thank you. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you all you need to know about YouTube monetization program, and also documents that you need to have and you need to bear in mind that you need to get before it's time for you to apply for YouTube monetization program. Do well to get a pen and paper, because you are really going to need a pen and paper for this class. Seriously. The first thing I want you to know is that before you be able to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to reach YouTube threshold. And for you to reach YouTube threshold, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yes, there is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, but then you can monetize it, but you won't actually start earning from the ads revenue. So for you to start earning from ad revenue, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is what you need to get for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. So you need to work towards how to get your watch time. So you can do what to follow this channel, because I teach you on ways to go about it. So now when you get that your 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour, you need to apply for you to be able to join the YouTube program, because there are some people that when they reach that side, they don't yet apply. Yes, so you need to apply to let YouTube know, okay, I want to join. You guys should review my page and say to me, let me join, because you need to start making that money, right? So you need to apply for you to be able to join the YouTube program. Now when you apply, your channel is going to be reviewed. Like, your channel is going to review, and this channel is not reviewed by bots, it's actually reviewed by human, like a human being. Yes, so this is a point that if your channel has copyright issues, copyright strike or more, your channel might not even be accepted to join the YouTube program. So that's why they used to tell people, please make sure your channel is as clean as it can be, that your channel doesn't have YouTube copyright or YouTube strike. In fact, if it's music that is making you to get that copyright, check my page. In fact, don't worry, I believe in description box. Do want to check it on how to get copyright free music to use on your YouTube video. So if music is the thing that's making it to have that copyright issue, don't worry, check it and make use of it. So make sure that your page is as clean as, so that when your page is reviewed, you'll be able to join the YouTube monetization program. They accept you. You are going to get an email that says, congratulations, you have joined the YouTube partner, blah blah blah, yeah, all this kind of thing. You are really going to get this email. Then after it, they will ask you to create an AdSense account, a Google AdSense account, so that you can dance, because that's where you're actually going to be getting your money. That's where you're actually going to put your bank details and everything. Now when you create an AdSense account, you will need to verify your identity. So this is where the international passport comes in. I don't know much about voters card and driver's license, because I was not actually looking into that side when I wanted to monetize my first YouTube channel. I was not actually looking into that side. I was treated on passport. So what you're going to need is your international passport. See, if you have NIN slip, just forget it. That thing does not work. They will not even accept you with your NIN slip. If you know what is good for you, the earlier the better. I will advise you to go and get your international passport. Highest, it will just take 1 month. Yes, because mine was just 1 month. It will take 1 month for you to get your international passport, so that you can use your international passport to do your verification. Now, after verifying your identity, the next thing is that your money starts reading. It starts reading already. Then when it starts reading, when you accumulate $10, then you will need your address verification. Now, a lot of you have problem with this address verification. I don't just know why, but a lot of you have problem. That's why at times when they send this Google Access pin, some of you don't even get it. Some people don't even get it. Now, for you to get your Google Access pin, you need to verify your address. Now, when you want to verify your address, please make sure you put a detailed address here, and also make sure you know your zip code, because that is where they are going to post that your Google Access pin to. And this zip code is something like all this postal code. Yes, so that is where they are going to post Google pin to. So imagine when you put a wrong zip code, a wrong address, how will your Google Access pin get to you? Can you see now? Can you see how the mathematics is rounding up now? Can you just see? So please, now, and that is that when you want to fill out your address, you will see address 1 and address 2. That address 1 is your normal address, like where you live, your street number and everything. Then that address 2, because you know you don't have two address 2, I will advise you to add your phone number to it, because there is no place for you to add your phone number for them to call you. So I will advise you to add your phone number in that space that has that address 2, and so that when the team will get there, these people in the postal code will call you, and at times these people don't even call. Or you can just go by yourself. After inputting your distance, after inputting your address, you just make one of them your friend, like, ma, please, I'm expecting something from Google Access, and this is my number. I want you to call me. Maybe you can just give the woman 1 or 2 stuff. You know how it's being done. When your Google pin lands, she will call you. When you are not able to confirm your address without your Google pin, in the next like 4 months, highest 4 months, your YouTube channel is going to stop generating for you, and which is something that nobody wants. So please, when you want to fill your Google Access, please and please wait. So when you want to fill your address in your Google Access, please and please ensure that you put the right address, the right zip code, and ensure that you put your number too, so that they can be able to call you. Now, when you get your Google Access pin, you will now see a space that they will ask you to verify your address. You will now put those digits, each 5 or 6. My Google Access is fine. I don't even want to go and start bringing it. You will now put those 5 or 6 digits to verify your Google address. After it, this is now where you are going to input your account details. Now, for you to be able to input your account details, you need to get a dollar account. You need to open a dollar account, not naira, a dollar account, because they will actually pay you in dollar. So you need to get a dollar account. So all you just have to do is to go to bank and open a dollar account. And for you to open a dollar account, you're going to need your NIN, your BVN. You know how it's been done. And also you're going to need people that are actually going to stand in for you as all these referrals. Yes, you are going to need them when you want to open your dollar account, but you need to really open your dollar account. Now you can go to all these banks like First Bank, UBA, GTB. You know how many banks we have. You can go to any one of your choice to open your dollar account. Then when you have a dollar account, you will now input your bank details, your name, your bank number, and the rest. Now after it, you are going to do your tax verification. You are going to do your tax information. I'm going to make a separate video on how to input your tax. If you want a video on that, please do what to leave it in the comment section, so I will make sure I do that video for you. You need to input your tax information, and this tax information, because in the US they actually charge some percentage for tax. But like this, you are not a US person and you don't have business doing in the US, you need to fill in a tax information so that your percentage will not be as high as someone that is in the US. Now, in this tax information, you are going to go to, and I wrote it down, so I'm not going to forget it. Now, you are going to sign into your Google AdSense, then you are going to click on payment and click on payment info, and then you will fill in your tax information and it will be approved immediately. So, but if you want me to make a video on how to do your tax information, like I said, do what, leave a comment in the comment section. But for some people, they will go to their local government, or they will go to all these tax force office, and then they'll pay like 3 to 5,000 naira for them to be able to get their tax identification number. But if you don't want to do it that way, there is another way for you to do it, which is the online stuff. Yes, it's also in your Google AdSense, which is the online stuff that you're going to fill in, and they will not give you a certificate, or they will not accept your tax information. And also, when you reach your $100 threshold, you are going to be qualified to be paid, and they pay around 21st of every month to 26th of every month. So this is when you should be expecting your money, because you worked hard for it and you want to see the evidence of your hard work. So this is it. So now let me summarize it for you. The documents you need for this is just your international passport, address, which they are going to send your Google AdSense pin to, and also your tax information, and the last, which is your dollar account. So these are the things you are going to need for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. Anyway, so we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and you want to see more videos like this from me, please do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell on, so that you will notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.